Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by placing your character precisely on the dash pad entry point and facing the intended direction. This matters because the pad projects velocity, not aim corrections. Once aligned, hold the boost or dash button just long enough to prime the animation, then release as you cross the pad. You should feel an immediate forward thrust that carries momentum through jumps and rails. Make sure to time it with platform movement so the pad completes its effect before you reach the next obstacle. Once done with the first pad, you continue by chaining pads and preserving velocity between contacts. Time your jumps roughly 1/4 to 1/2 second after the pad thrust so you don't lose speed. You should use subtle in-air stick adjustments to tweak your trajectory because heavy inputs can slow you down or cancel momentum. Make sure to pair the dash pad with a homing attack or grind when available, since those actions absorb the forward force and extend the dash across hazards and wide gaps. To finish, guide your character into the next surface or rail within about 1 second so the pad's thrust converts into forward momentum and score continuity. If you find the dash fails or sends you off course, back away, reposition precisely, and reprime the pad. This clears any input overlap or animation lock. Also check your camera angle. If the view misleads your approach, quickly recenter or adjust it so you hit the entry zone cleanly and land where you expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.